Good morning to all of you and Hari Om. Now today bhaiya, I am going to start a new chapter. The first chapter you have already completed and the new chapter is control and coordination. Subject biology and class 10th. So this is also a very interesting chapter and this is related to our life. Control and coordination. At first, I am going to introduce about this chapter. At first, Bhaiya Bahan, you have to know about control and coordination. What is control and coordination? Control. Control means control is the power of restraint and re-regulation by which something can be stored, slowed down, or stopped. It means we can stop, we can slow down, we can start anything. So this is known as control. The second word is coordination. Coordination means adjustment. The definition of coordination is the working together of various organs of the body of an organism in a proper manner or in a proper sequence to produce appropriate reaction to a stimulus is called coordination. So this is known as coordination. One word is here stimuli. Stimuli are the plural word and a stimulus is the singular. A stimuli means the changes in the environment to which the organisms respond and react are called stimuli. Or in another word, we can say the cause of living things to react or respond is called stimulus. Now the second topic of this chapter is control and coordination in plants. You have to study in details. Third one is plant hormones or phytohormones and its different functions. Fourth, plant movements. Fifth, trophism and its different types with suitable examples. Sixth, coordination in animals. 7. Nervous system and its type with their functions. A structure and functions of a neuron. 9. Reflex action and reflex arcs. 10th, a structure and functions of human brain. And the last, hormonal coordinations. It means different types of hormones and their functions. This is the introductions of this chapter. Now, one by one, I am going to start the meaning of control and coordinations. I have already discussed. Now, the second part of this chapter is control and coordination in plants. Bhaiya Bahan, as you are knowing very well, plants do not have a nervous system and sense organs like us. The plants can sense the presence of stimuli like light, gravity, chemicals, water, etc. and respond to them. The plants coordinate their behavior against environment changes by using hormones. So plant remain fixed at one place, and some specialized cells, some specialized tissues are doing this process, and those tissues or cells are present in a plant on a particular sites or particular regions, and they work according to their needs. Now the first control and coordination in plants related to plant hormones or phytohormones. Plant hormones are also known as phytohormones. Now about plant hormones, just you have to know, plant hormones are also known as plant growth substances because it helps in the growth of different parts of the plant. The growth of a plant can be divided into three stages. First one is cell division, second, cell enlargement, third, cell differentiation or cell specialization. Do you know what is cell divisions? It means one cell divides into two or many parts is known as cell divisions, and through the cell divisions plants or the parts of a plants will grow in size or shape. Cell enlargement, it means the number of cells become more and more, as a result of which the growth of the different parts like root, shoot of the plants grow in their size and shape also. Third is cell differentiation or cell specializations. Here, as we are knowing very well, the different works of the plants are doing with their different parts or different organs. So, division of labor has been divided or differentiated. So, this is known as cell differentiation. It means division of labor, division of work. All these stages are taking place in a plant on a particular locations or regions, just I have told you earlier. As a result of which plant hormones control growth of plant as well as promotion of dormancy, breaking of dormancy, stomata control, falling of leaves, fruit growth, ripening of fruits, and aging in plants, etc. Just the word I am going to explain you, dormancy. Have you heard the name of dormancy? No, I am going to explain it. Dormancy means inactive stage, not active. Its meaning in Hindi, सुसुप्ता अवस्था, सोए हुए अवस्था में. So it is known as dormancy. The dry seeds are in dormancy period. Breaking of dormancy, it means the seeds start to germinate, यानी कि सोए हुए अवस्था से जागृत अवस्था में आना, इसे हम ब्रेकिंग ऑफ डॉर्मेंसी कहते हैं. स्टोमाटा आर प्रेजेंट on the lower surface of leaf. So stomata control means the closing and opening of stomata is known as stomata control or stomata movement. Falling of leaves, पत्तों का झड़ना, the old leaves becomes fall down. Fruit growth, it means the size of the fruit become enlarged. Ripening of fruits, फलों का पकना. And aging in plants, plants का ग्रोथ जो है वह एज के हिसाब से बढ़ना. Now the functions of phytohormones at a glance. First one is germination of seeds. It means breaking of dormancy of seeds. Second, growth of fruit, stem and leaves. Third, movement of stomata. It means opening and closing of stomata. Fourth, flowering of plants. Fifth, ripening of fruits, falling of leaves. And sixth, movement in plants, that is growth of root and shoot system. Now Bhiyavahan, just see on the screen. At a glance, I am going to explain about the types of phytohormones and their functions. Mainly, there are 5 major types of plant hormones as per your syllabus, which are involved in the control and coordination in plants. Just I have made here 2 columns. The first columns belongs to the names of phytohormones and the second column their functions. First one is auxins. Auxins helps to promote cell enlargement, cell differentiation and fruit growth, as a result of which the growth of the plants are taking place. Second is gibberellins. It helps in breaking of dormancy in seeds. It means start to germinate. Third is abscisic acid. Short form is ABA. It is also known as growth inhibitor. It helps to promote the dormancy in seeds and buds, closing of stomata and falling of leaves. Fourth is cytokinins. It promotes cell division and opening of stomata. Fifth is ethene or ethylene. It promotes the falling of leaves. Now, in this way, the today's topic has got over. Thank you and have a nice day.